Let's get it! Okay, guys, today we talking about Algorand. Is Algorand finna take off? Okay, we're gonna get into El Salvador just made Bitcoin a legal tender, and we're gonna look at the market. Algorand. Okay, so big news just came out of Algorand as Arrington Capital launches $100 million Algorand ecosystem fund. So this is real bullish news for Algorand. Okay, as y'all know that I requested Algorand for you. If you look at my video, I'll leave it up in the link up above. But I told you guys about Algorand, and I'm gonna be pushing Algorand now because I always loved Algorand. Okay, so it says Michael Arrington, crypto venture capital firm Arrington Capital Management, is launching a $100 million fund for bets on projects building on the Algorand blockchain. Called the Algorand Algo Growth Fund, the fund will invest in tokens and equity. Arrington, the founder of the TechCrunch blog, told CoinDesk in a telephone interview it is Arrington's second crypto-focused fund after the flagship Arrington XRP Capital Fund, which in March reported $236 million in assets. Arrington Capital now has over $1 billion in assets under management, according to the press release. Okay, so it's very big. We see Arrington and his crypto venture, they're just venturing out and tapping into Algorand. And Algorand is a good coin, okay? It's a good coin to pick. I see it going to $4 to $5 because it is in the near future. That's my price prediction for this coin. But guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel where we give you up-to-date information on crypto so you can make a decision with your portfolio. Okay, so back to Algorand. Okay, yeah, I predict it to be on this bull run. It could get up to $10. I'm predicting a solid $4 to $5 range of where Algorand could be, but it could definitely hit 10. News like this, I think people like Arrington Capital and other capital funds will also start to follow behind him. So Arrington Capital made a smart move, okay? So, guys, don't forget Celsius. It's your best. They're sending out the most percentage that they're giving out for your crypto, okay? You got Celsius and BlockFi. I got the links in the description. Y'all make sure y'all making your crypto, making you some residual, okay? Celsius has much more of a selection. BlockFi doesn't, but BlockFi allows you to chain link Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, okay? So let's get into the news with El Salvador. As I've been telling y'all, I've been speaking about this El Salvador news on my Instagram. And now they have it where El Salvador is actually listed. They have Bitcoin on the currency. So yes, it's now official that they officially are on the Bitcoin. We're gonna see if a lot more countries, because they're saying Brazil, a lot of countries, Argentina, that they have been really facing inflation, like bread and stuff that was like, so much that no one could afford. So could this be a gateway for all of the other countries to switch on to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency? Okay, so you guys, let's take a look at the charts and see what we got. Okay, so as we see, we got Bitcoin. We see what everybody produced in the last 24. We got Chile is up 41%. Okay, in 24 hours. So that would have been a good pick yesterday. I remember it was at 26. I was thinking about shopping with it. Algo is up 6%, and Algo right here is a good pick at $1.06. We got it at 86 cents, 90 cents. So it's a good way. It's a good wave right now. Okay, so Algo is at $1.06, like you guys said. I project that to go to $4 or $5. It could reach 10. It's a platform for artists, and it leaves a carbon footprint. So let's see what Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. And Bitcoin kind of surprised me because of the, it was at 36, and I'm like, Bitcoin is looking like it's creeping and trying to creep up. It's actually moving a little bit better than Ethereum. So this is what we got. This is where it's moving at. We see that we've been at 39, but for some reason it's at this 37 mark, and we are just hovering around right under 40,000. So I'm looking for them. I predicted that we will have a big jump by the 12th, and the 12th is tomorrow. So we've been kind of staying stagnant for a little minute, but we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay, it's at 24.63 right now, and it's with all the traction. I'm definitely thinking that Ethereum's supposed to be definitely could double and be at 5,000 back in 2000 was it 18, I think, or 19, Ethereum went from $100 to $200. So it could double, all right? We could, it could just double in a matter of a week, 2 days, 3 days. So that's what I'm predicting. That's what I predicted on my channel, that I would think what happened with Ethereum. We'll see how it plays out. Okay. And let's take a look at Cardano. Okay, that's been everybody's top pick, especially on YouTube. So Cardano's at 152. So we at this stagnant market where the bulls and bears is just like, right, we don't know which way to go. But it definitely looked like it's trending upwards, okay? Time is on our side, okay? So Chainlink is at 22. Now, I'm going to go into some picks that I think is some good picks, okay? Right now, we going there. So Chainlink, guys, I'm going to switch over some and get some more Chainlink. It's at $22. This is definitely a 40, Polkadot is another good one right now. That's down. Polkadot is definitely a good one. And definitely Polygon. But most definitely, you need to stock up on your Algorand. That one is a solid one. It's at $1. So that's what I was informing you guys today about the Algorand. Make sure you sign up with your Celsius link so you can make money off your crypto. We got BlockFi down there. And guys, make sure you invest smart and always take profit.